Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use AI to change one image to any kind of aspect ratio. For example, I have a portrait image and I want to change this image to square or landscape. So I will show you very quick in this video. Some of you guys will try to do this. You will upload your image to Gemini Nano Banana and you add some prompts. This prompt has been shared a lot in many AI groups. But for now, this prompt not work too much. You can see the expanding is not correct and the aspect ratio is not correct either. So it's very hard to expand and change the aspect ratio on Google Gemini. So how you can do it? I will go to new tab over here and I will search for this one. Wix, and you hit enter. You can see right in the first website we have the Google Labs over here. You will go to this website and you need to choose the Wix. It's the first time you use this tool. It will ask you to log into the Gmail account. And for now, what I want to do here is I choose add image. Over here we have the subject, we have the scenes, we also have the style. So you can modify a lot of things using this AI. But for now, I just want to change the aspect ratio. So I will upload my image over here. For example, I will upload a portrait image of this dog over here. And right after the uploading is finished, you will go to this place and you need to type this prompt like me. You can see I type in my prompt over here. And the interesting part of this website, you can choose between different aspect ratio over here. You can choose portrait, you can choose landscape. So it's based on what you need, and this one you cannot do with Gemini. So I will choose landscape and I hit enter to generate an image. You can see here it's finished generate my image. The image comes from this portrait mode to landscape 16:9. So I will try again with the portrait mode and let's see the result. Okay, you can see the image changed to portrait mode over here and it's very beautiful dog. So I will try one more time with the square aspect ratio 1:1 and let's see how is the result. Okay, you can see we have 1:1 aspect ratio over here without any logo and the quality is really great. So that's all my videos. You can use this kind of AI to change the aspect ratio to any type you want from any type of image. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.